this is the case. It have fans and it have the LED lights. This is how we order it.
Show them it's empty.
Yeah,
It should have the power supply in it, though.
the power supply it have it. So we need some
Wait, try looking at the other side.
no, this side. Oh, by the way, over here, if you can see, if you can see over here, it have two USB and mic and speaker and power button on and off.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I do not. There's some washers over here. You have to be careful. Okay, and as you see over here, it's the power supply over here. Yeah, there's a power supply over here, and now we're gonna find out we're gonna find out which one of these boxes over here is the motherboard. Okay, so we're back again to this one. And by the way, the cable comes with it, and some covers everywhere comes with it. Okay, Faisal. See all this, but so هذول, you see, we're about to lose it. Okay, Faisal, put this somewhere. All this. Count 4 of each. 4 of each. Okay. Now we're gonna find the motherboard. It's okay, it's I think yeah. So I think this one is the motherboard. So let's try it. Mr. Faisal, how about you have the honor to open it?
This one is UPS. Didn't we order it from Amazon?
Is that?
I opened it though.
Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, this is the extra fan. Oh, the power supply. I ordered another power supply because I thought that there was no power supply. I think this one, I think this one is the motherboard. Let's have it. Okay, now again.
Just for open.
This is the motherboard. Oh, and this is the memory. I ordered memory sheet. Okay. This is the motherboard. And this is okay. I wear gloves now because some of these components is static components, so I don't want to burn it. Like the video card, I do not know if it's static or not. This is a video card. Okay. After we install the motherboard, we're gonna install the rest of it. But I think I ordered a video card by itself. Okay, now this is the motherboard. Yeah. That's all. See, this is the motherboard. If you look over here, can I have it? Okay, over here we have. This is the CPU, which is, yeah, I remember now, the fan. I think the fan, it comes on top of the CPU and it's loose. So we're gonna attach it right. And this is the slides for the memory I showed to you. Okay, and this is extra slides over here, slides for any other thing you want to add for it. Like we need to add a video card. So it comes already with the video over here, HDMI. Over here we can run a video of it. And it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 USB, plus it have 2 of Wi-Fi. So I think the antennas is somewhere over here, the antennas. Okay. It have place for mic and the speakers too. Okay. So we're gonna start attach this to this first. Let's see. We need to attach it over here. So if you look over here, Arbi, Jua. If you look over here and here, you see, we can just put it in. And I do not know if I have to use some of the screws. Basically, I did not see any screws in, but all these components over here, it have to come over here. Have to come over here. Okay, you see it? Okay. So we're gonna do it like this.
Should we put in the memory of the video card first?
No. We need to see something over here. I need light. If you عندكم light. This one to the motherboard. We need to attach this cable to the motherboard, which is this cable gonna turn on the fan and some of the LED light and power on, power off button over here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it like this from here. I'll put it over here, and let's see. This cable is too tight. Now, yes, I can do it now. انت شايف؟ يلا امسكه وحطه جوا.
What were those that you just switched?
Let me switch one.
The things like these. What were they? They were right here. You just switched them.
This is the memory. Does it fit?
Not really. Try and push it in a bit more if you can.
There's a cable over here. Oh, I know what you said. Okay, now I know. So now we need to do some adjustment. We need to do some adjustment over here and here. This one is here. Positive already. So I take a little break, and now I'm gonna show you the video card. The video card that comes started with the fan, and there is some other things inside. There is the owner manual and some sticker over here, and the cables and other cables and zip tied and something. Oh, here we go, the screws what I'm looking for. Okay. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Just want to show you what kind of motherboard is this. This is supposedly to be the latest technology, which is it have the Wi-Fi and the operating system is Windows 11. Okay, and it will fit the DDR5 because the DDR5 have more ability to run more games, to accept running more heavy games, more than the DDR4, which is I'm talking about the memory. Okay, plus we have the core. Okay, let's put everything on the motherboard first and then put it back on the case. Let's do this. So first of all, we have thing to put in.
What? Motherboard?
So this one is totally empty. I don't want it. And this, the memory. This one I'm gonna move it over here And now we're gonna sit down. Do you have anything to put here? Yeah, it's here. I'm gonna put this thing down and let's put everything else. Okay, I think the CPU is not including over here because I ordered the CPU by itself. Faisal, maybe that one is the CPU. Maybe this one is the CPU. Let's open it, brother.
Just, you don't need to cut it, just rip it open.
It is the CPU.
Yeah, it's,
Open it. This is the CPU. It's i9, Intel i9, the latest technology up to today. I do not know tomorrow. Can you open it, Papa? Take it out. In the meantime, while he's taking it out, I'm gonna show you how to open it up. You press over here, أبيان. في أرقام. Is there any digital numeric over here? Do not carry it. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So over here, Faisal, you have to open it. طلع. Just press and well, like this. Okay. This motherboard does not include the CPU as you see over here. بإمكانك تكبر الصورة وتصغريها. Okay. So I'm gonna take it. We have to take this one out first. And which slide do you want to put it in? The last one? Good. Wherever you want. It's one way to fit in. Push. Yeah, it's fit. So it's clicked and means it fit over here. عليكم السلام يا بابا. We're building the gaming computer, حبيبي.
Is this mine?
I do not know. So now let's open the memory.
open that one.
Let's open the memory.
It's okay.
ايش هذا؟ ايش؟
Her. The shelf.
طبعا طريقة مسكها في السكينة غلط ها؟
It was pushing downwards away from you.
Okay. So let's open it now and put it in. Oh, sorry.
What's this?
This is the memory card. Each one is 32 gigabyte of RAM. See that? Yeah. And again, it have one way to fit. You cannot fit it in the opposite way. It's one way to fit. Try. No.
I got it.
Yeah. Good.
خفش لو قرب ما تطلعش.
اعمل لنا.
مش طالع فيصل خلي الكتف كده.
No light. نعمل. جيبي لي light. Okay. Once you click it, it should close. It should lock. It did not lock. No, it's locking now. You see? The other one did not. بس أنا عرفت مظبوط. إيش الصفحة هذه؟ بدي أضوي لي. Okay, Faisal. Let's do this again. Now it has to lock in. See? Let's do the second one now. Thank you. No, the first. Yeah. من هنا first.
اديك فيه.
More. Okay. بس اكتسها هيك.
It's not clicking.
اديك مثلا بدي منه.
سمعت؟ Let's check now. بس هاي مش راكبة شايف كيف طالعة؟ It's not, no, you cannot press it anymore. You have to take it out. You see, now you can press over here فيصل. اعملها هيك من فوق تحت. No, في شيء غلط. يا مش مركبها مظبوط، هيك المفروض تركب. اوكي يلا. ركب هاي first. Push at this side. Push. Still this one is not in. يلا. Now it's making the motherboard have 128 gigabyte of RAM. The RAM is like, this is the memory. Like we said, the CPU is like the heart in a human being. The RAM is like
The brain? No.
the brain, yeah, a little bit. I have one way to go in. Yeah. Okay, good job. And the storage, which is the hard drive, it's this side first.
Both sides of the line.
Okay,
But
let's click. Now the RAM is in. The motherboard like a skeleton of the human being. So we have the skeleton, the heart, and the brain, which is, now it needs the eyes, which is the video card, and some other components. هذول اشيلهم كلهم اللي بنخلص منهم. This one.
there's the storage.
Mhm.
Where's the storage?
Okay. Now I really looking for the fan. Let's see, what is this? Even this one. Let's see this one, what is it? Oh, okay.
Not this part.
ليس كده بابا من هنا. You can open it. This is the hard drive, which is, I think it's 8 gigabyte, I think, or 16.
I think it's 16. No, it's 8. It's 8 terabytes.
8 terabyte, I'm sorry. So just open it. Do not touch it, just open the plastic. This one gonna go to the, not in the motherboard, this one. It's gonna go to the case over here. So we deal with this later on.
Why did you?
We deal with this later on. Let's open this one. ركب الفيديو كود. ركبه هنا. مش راكب. يلا. So this is the video card in this one. Now all what we need is the fan. I did not see the fan anywhere. It's supposed to come with the Intel, with the i9. I think Intel did not send us the fan. Is there any other thing in that box?
This one.
The Intel box, the CPU.
Should we just use the fan from the RPG?
جيبها. في new fan over there. I bought a new fan, remember?
Oh yeah, that one's in the PC.
Right, جيبها. Was it? Okay, this stuff comes on with the motherboard. So can you open this for me, please? And this one is a cover from the back over there. This one, a lot of screws over there. Sorry, screws. A lot of screws over here. Do you see the screws? So we're gonna attach the motherboard everywhere. Here, here, ارجع لي هنا. Here, 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 here. And I think I'm gonna remove this to attach the motherboard again. Okay, so the best thing is to remove it. Okay, and I cannot attach this because I'm missing the fan. The fan did not come in with the with this. What's written on it? Windows 11.
USB SanDisk.
Scan disk, yes. So we're gonna put this.
SanDisk. No scan. SanDisk.
Okay, we're gonna put this somewhere and go back to the box.
32 gigabytes.
Yeah, 32 gigabytes. So we're gonna come back to the box over here. Okay. The box, it have the power supply. I'll read it telephone. The power supply over here, there, inside, inside, Faisal, inside,
Yeah.
inside over here. I'm trying to take it out from here, so I think
I don't think you can take out the
I
power
think
supply.
I'm gonna take this one out to be over there. Okay, or I take the power supply out. If I take the power supply out, it's gonna go down over there, and these attach over here, and this one. Tap it, Papa. Tap it. Officially American. Okay, now we're gonna put the motherboard inside after we put the memory in. So there is 2 wires for the fans over here. We need to make sure everything will be okay over here. And then it will fit over here. Okay. And I just want to make sure that it is right. So it needs to be like this. A little bit. I think you'll have to move that fan a little bit. When in fact. Yeah. I have to move the fan a little bit right, left, till it will be adjusted right. See, now I moved it. I'll take it out a little bit. This one. Oh, we have to take that one out. We have to take that one out. So here we attach the motherboard. We attach it here. Here, 9 screws. We attach the motherboard. Hi, Faisal. So now we're gonna put the main power, which is this is the main power. Can you take it out? Press over here and here. Okay, and the main power is here, as you see. So and this one gonna be like this. Yes.
It's not long enough.
It's long enough. The main power is on. Now we have to attach the rest of the wires to everywhere, and but we're missing the fan. When we have the fan, I think there's 2 spots for the fan over here. The memory is already in. Now just we have to break this one and put 2 of them over here. We can break it over it here. Okay. Video card. Push. okay, available remote as well. And this video card have a power over here, so which one is this one? I think this one, which is the other side. Okay, can you put the power in? Yeah. Oh, okay, good. Only thing I need is one. Okay, now the video card is in and the other one is in. Just we have to attach all these wires, each wire in the right spot. Okay, so okay, now guys, we take a little break yesterday, and from here we're gonna take these two. From the other side, yesterday I put the hard drive over here. I put the hard drive. Okay. So over here I put the hard drive and I attach it. And there is one wire was missing. I did not continue, so I'm gonna put this wire back over there. From here, basically this wire for the hard drive, I'm gonna put it to the other side, which is here, you see, and then okay, I will attach it to the hard drive. It's gonna be in this spot. Oh, I have to attach another wire, not this one. So I will attach this one because this one have an angle, which is gonna go on the other side. This one with no angle. Darby, huh? Yeah, شاطر. من غير ما يبين التلفون. Over here, ضوي.
You said that I was looking at show.
It's over here. And we push till it's click, and it's clicked already. And then I'm gonna put it inside over here and remove that one and put this one in. And this is for the hard drive. And it comes on the side of it. On the side, this side. You see over here. So you click this on, press on it, and take the wire out, and put this wire in. Same thing. There's 6 slides for this, so you pick any one. Does not have to be exact, and each one for what. And then just I have to adjust it a little bit. Make it from here, and let's have this. Look at this. Okay. So now it's time for a CPU. It's time now for a CPU and how to put it in. So there is TM30. This one we put it on the top of the CPU to reduce the heat a little bit. Okay, between the CPU and the fan. And as you see, this is our CPU over here, and this is the one.
You took the CPU out?
It wasn't attached. So we put the CPU, and there is one way to put it in. Okay. So as you see over here, there's 2 over here, 2 over here. It's different sizes. So there is one way to put it in, which is this way. If you try to put it the other way, it will not fit. As you see, So we're gonna put it like this. Now it's in. So we're gonna open this one. This one is fan. 212 hollow black. Actually, this fan is colorful fan. Oh, it's open. Shouldn't be open. This one is a colorful fan. Okay. Oh, there is a glue. It comes with it. iBrush is another one, but it comes with it. Now we need to assemble this one, which is we're gonna have this and the 2 screws, green screw, like this from the other side. Again. In fact. We need to assemble it like this, and the other one too. When,
The other screw?
no, the other one like this.
They're both here.
It's here. And with the other one, like this, we're gonna assemble it. Right, Hassan? Hello?
Do it with like this one?
Hey.
I know, but do it with
No.
them.
I can go to Hassan. So like this, and it's gonna fit like this over here. And over here, like this. So this one. Okay guys, we're gonna put the master gel, which is gel, on the top of the CPU. So over here, a little bit.
It's like a dot or an X.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. That's it.
There's still some excess glue.
Okay.
We need to put on the cap.
I'm gonna put more over here. Come on, Faisal.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get the glue off the glove.
Mm-hmm. And after we do this, we have to put the fan now. So the fan is this one. As I show you the box. This is Hyper 212 Hold Black, which is, it's colorful, not black. When the fan runs in, it will gives more color. But the thing is, we have to hold two pieces together. We need to hold this piece from the back of the motherboard and this piece from the up of the motherboard in the same time. And don't forget to peel this one out when you start the job. So I'm gonna put it over here like this. As you see, we put the cooler in over here. This is the cooler. We just put it on the top of the CPU. Let me put some light over here. This is on the top of the CPU. This is the cooler. Just we need to put the fan on and the job will be done for the CPU. We already installed the memories, the hard drive. So I guess this is the last thing gonna be, and the computer will be ready to run. So to put the fan, this fan, we need these two. The same wires.
Where did you put them?
Oh, these over here. It's already attached. I already attached them, so I will take it out. This one, you see, this one you put it over here in the place of the screwdriver, and the other one, and then you just click, and make sure this is the side. And then when you put the fan in, you just have to click this one and click this one, and it's easy job. So let's do it. First of all, استنى شوي، استنى هيك. Oh, I got it the wrong way. So no, هيك. لحظة شوي برضه بس أشوف.
Okay.
أنا عارف you out of patience, I do not know why.
It's not that auspicious.
بس بدي أشوفها مظبوطة هيك. I think إنه هيك مظبوطة هي. أوكي. إنه إذا بتلف المروحة هيك. So. أوكي. يلا. نو من هذيك الناحية عشان الكاميرا. من هنا.
Okay.
Why do y'all need gloves? Oh, you put the glue on it?
Yeah. You put it here, right? And then what do we do with this metal part?
بولت أيوة. شوف طلع علي هنا.
You trying to?
يا شوف هيك. شايف كيف؟ وبعدين تعملها هيك. أوكي. أيوة. He did it. My son did it. So now I'm gonna attach the cables for the fans.
Cable.
For the fan. And then I think this computer will be ready to run. ضوي لي هناك. افتحها ضوء ماما.
You should go there.
أنا بعرف أعطيني مجال. It's in. Where is the other fan? It's here. Both fans is here. Both cables is here. And this one will go somewhere else to the other fan. Okay. So these two will come over here. Okay. It's gonna be here. Can you see it? With camera.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh, this is not the right one. So here we go, guys. We put the CPU and the fan over here. This is the fan. And the CPU is down, and this is 4 slides of memory, and this is the main power to the power supply to the motherboard, and the video card, and the other cooling system over there. And we attach all the wires over here. Okay, and we're ready to start it.
I hope it works.
Sorry, when we work together. Yeah, sorry.
Someone.
Sorry. Okay, we're gonna work together now. Back. And we need the screws, which is over here. Oh, I forgot one. So there's a piece of wood. This one over here. Okay. I forgot to put something over here. Oh, I forgot to mount that mounting. I have to attach it. Okay, we're ready to put everything back together. Come in. Okay. شوي يا حبيبي. everything. حطها في الأرض. Yeah. لحظة عشان نوريهم. We're gonna show them. It's just put everything back together. Okay. Put it here. another again. What's here? And here. بس
I know, I just want to tighten it.
بس
I'm just tightening it.
no,
Why not?
because I said so.
What's wrong?
Bring that thing,
What
the
thing?
glass, the cover.
Where did you put the glass?
عندك امشي. Okay, you can put it in.
Does it go like this?
Okay. Okay, put this like this.
I'm gonna get one of the screws.
واحدة من فوق واحدة من تحتين. One screws.
Like this.
You just put the down one now. Not this, not this. هذا. No, هذا. Actually, put it here. Put it here. Put it there. Hold. Put it there. You see, we have to put this plastic stuff, and then when it tap like this, so put it together. Put it together.
And
It's not in. This side, it's not in.
you need to push it in a bit.
I cannot push it. I cannot push it. I cannot push it.
Turn it on.
No. One in, one out. Okay, now this small stuff, put it over here, and put the screw right away, or put it here. Put it here. على screw على طول, and then tie it.
Screw it.
I'll do these two.
Okay, and I do this too. It's not about who's faster, it's about accuracy.
Who's faster?
لا تشدش.
هو
ايزي
جاي.
بس بالهاند لانه الجلاس انت صار تايت. اوكي مستر فيصل كريت ليش شلتها طيب؟
Because wait,
Carry
is the other part also screwed in? The part?
You did it before, remember?
Oh yeah.
And you tied it. So this PC is ready to turn on for the first time before we install anything.